Today on OAKBRO.
Drug dealer, I wear Nike, not feeler. Lean like Tao Pizza, smart like Mona Lisa. Had enough of 36 shots, 72, had to double up. Mainstream tunes, couldn't make one. That was mathematics for the class clown dunce. ABCs, I wanted Q's. Get a B, make 2. Crime watch man, dim face on news. Direct spamming, pay me dues. Grief for money, gas like juice. Take it lightly, it's just food. Certain man have to kill off him.
So guys, today, with it being Bonfire night, we'd do a firework themed video. So we've got Ryan over there. Smile! I don't know if you can see him, it's a bit low light. Okay, sound. But we're basically going to fire fireworks at each other. So I've got my GoPro for what's going to come towards me. And then our lovely, delightful assistants will stand somewhere on the grass so you can get the fireworks firing, etc. So yeah. Here. Come then, fam. Oh, fuck. Whoa! Fuck, I can't get lit. Come on then, fam. Oh. Oh. Someone hold that for me. Right, we don't actually know I'm over it. Where's the one? Fuck. Oh, no! Come on.
I love Pakistan, I will sacrifice my life for Pakistan! I love Pakistan! We all love Pakistan!
As you can see, burnt all around my mouth, got some burn into my eyes and that. And I am really struggling to see at the minute, like big time. Do you know what? I think I'm gonna die. Fuck. I think I'm blind! I think I'm blind! Oh shit! I just set myself on fire. I almost died, boys. Holy fuck. I fucking felt it get really hot. How many you got? Oh shit, move. Whoa! Hope you guys enjoyed it. Might have been a bit shit video quality.
Right, before you cut the video, look at this.
Oh fucking hell, there we go. Can't believe that, I just ruined my 150 quid jump. Actually set my son on fire. Right, I've set my son on fire, look.
Yeah, well,
Take the glove off.
now do you see why I screamed like a bitch?
So yeah, turn that off. That was some stupid shit. Anyway guys, don't try that at home because if you do, you'll probably get arrested by the police.
Police arrest pending.
Yeah, so we'll probably get questioned about this.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I did say, look.
120 quid jumping down the hill. Yeah, you'll be alright.
It's fine. Didn't go front of my van's top.
I got it to bare skinny dastardly. Oh, right.
Fucking, but yeah, cheers for watching guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If this video gets, I don't know, what you say, 1,000?
No, 750.
What, 750 likes? Ryan will put a melon on top of his head with a firework in it. And I'll do the same.
Yeah, go on then.
So yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching. This is OAKBRO, signing out.